So, you want to be able to communicate in English as fluently as any fluent speaker on this planet. If you think you tried everything possible and are still not there yet, this video is just for you. With the kind of experience we've had so far, we can make this whole process of learning to communicate in English easy for you for as little as just a few Indian rupees per session, and sometimes even for free. Who are we? Well, we've been running multiple businesses for more than 10 years, with majority of the clients in the native English-speaking countries. And one of our businesses here in India has been into coaching individuals and corporates on various aspects of leadership and soft skills. Communicating fluently in English is just a part of these. We've been putting this skill set to test every single day relentlessly to conduct seamless business transactions with business owners all around the globe. By now, you can tell how passionate we are about this language, its endless capabilities, and of course, the end rewards. So, anyone like us could definitely help to simplify the whole process of learning to communicate in English for you. It doesn't matter who you are. You could be a housewife, a business owner, chiefs and management of a company, a job seeker, or even a student. We've got sessions for everyone. Sessions on different topics will have different prices. Come join us on a live 30 minutes free video call where we all get to talk to each other about the difficulties that you face while communicating in English and the possible solutions that you could take away right after the call, whether or not you join the paid sessions later. What else can you ask for? And here is a quick note. You don't have to sound like me. You can choose from various other English accents that are known to the world, including the one that is widely spoken in the eloquent circles in India. So let's connect to learn to communicate in English the way it should be and make our lives easy. The link to the meeting and timings are mentioned below. We look forward to meeting you. Until then, take care.